Hello family, I hope you are doing amazing. I'm doing amazing and we give glory and honor back to God. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Merve, or you can call me Aunt Simmer. And family, in today's vlog, it's gonna be a lot that is gonna be taking place, but I'm gonna be taking out these boho braids. I think I've had them for like soon a month, okay? The work with this hairstyle, I can't do it anymore. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I feel like I want to take her out, but hopefully I'm gonna be able to do it because I'm also gonna be cooking sombe, cassava leaves. For those who don't know what sombe is our traditional food. Congolese eat that a lot. So I miss sombe. I miss eating sombe. So I'm gonna be cooking sombe, and also I'm gonna be doing laundry, so it's a lot. So yeah, so that's gonna be about today's vlog. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy, and hopefully I'll see how it goes. Also to bring Deo from daycare. Deo has started daycare again, so right now he's not with us. That's why the house is chill, quiet. I'm only here with my little man Isaiah, but Deo is at daycare. But me or his father will see who is gonna go pick him up. Isaiah, did you even say hi to the people? Huh? Oh, are you laughing? So family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and comment. It will mean a lot to us. So let's get started. Only God help me, I'm gonna be able to finish whatever I'm planning to do, because this boy here won't let me put him down. He wants to be curried. Yeah. You're gonna be here a little bit. Oh mama. So good. Ooh, look at these. But you have these. I'm gonna make your meal. Babangu. Yeah. Ah, babangu. See, this is a bee. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. With me. It's okay, baby. Let me put on your song and say hello. Baby, I say saying hello with a smile. Hello. So, amen. God bless Isaiah. Let me help you, Baba. Hey, Isaiah. Oh my God, I was gone. Like, I didn't even know. So I'm going to talk. Hey. Boo. Isaiah. Isaiah. Can I have that diva? Can I have that diva? Hey, though. Your guy's gonna bring Deo. Yep. Let me see my baby. Let me see my baby. You're ready, huh? Why is daddy giving you these? You don't need these. Big man don't use this. See how he's looking? Big man don't need this. Huh? Prepared for the winter. Bye, Isaiah. Say hey to Deo. Okay. Bye, baby. Take care. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Isaiah.
Bye.
So now baby is going to bring Deo, and then I'm just gonna use this time to do my hair. I don't know if I should first take out the sombe. Okay. I hope you guys are seeing properly. And it always starts even in the hair bands that I use. Yeah. Oh my god. How am I gonna be able to remove this? Oh Jesus. Can't do it anymore. And believe me, I've been putting mousse in this, but it doesn't work. Like, look guys, let me come closer. Look, I don't know. It kind of hurt. I don't even know I'm going to start removing this because the time that it's gonna take. Help! Send help! ASAP. In Swahili, Mushira means mad person, so I'm like, I look like a mad person, and I'm supposed to look like that very demure, but it's not giving very demure, it's giving mad person. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let me first. Deo, you're welcome. Deo, karibu. Deo is back. Let's go welcome Deo. Oh, Deo, my baby.
But yeah, chapeau. So.
My baby is tired. Kusaidia. So let's go change pampa. And if there is just tosha pampa. Here was sharing. So guys, see you later. Kuna kula nini? Kuna kula VIP breakfast? Uko na nai chungwa nai zabibu nai biscuit. Bravo nai maziwa. Bravo ni vitano. Yay. Chapala. Chapala. Njo nini? Chapala. Nai chai. Vile vitu tavimaliza. Okay. Yeah, bye guys. Guys, he's so tired. Anyway, guys, a quick update. I changed my mind. I saw that I'm not gonna be able to remove this hair in time. It's a lot, and this scissors is just it's crazy. My sister bought a packet. I have to call and ask her if I can open it. But anyway, so now we're gonna go in the kitchen and start cooking pondu. Pondu, like I say, it means cassava leaves. Very delicious. So guys, they are sleeping. He got so tired, he's sleeping. Hello. Babe! Oh my god, I can't wait to get you. Oh, I can't wait. Abby's doing laundry. Yeah. And my baby. Hello, Deo. Look what's in the... Why are you being moody, my baby? They are not funny. Okay. You don't want letter G? It's so messy in here, guys. Okay, guess who is awake? Bubba. Oh, did you woke you up? Oh, you, my baby. Sorry. Rice and the pondu I prepared. Bon appetit. So yes, there he's enjoying his food, so we're gonna just be here sitting with him while I'm having baby Isaiah too. So yeah. Say hello, Isaiah. What do they do after eating? Come, my son. Come. They are? What do they do? Come. Yeah, remove their plate. And what do they say to mommy?
Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome, baby. Put it there. Put it in the sink. Put it inside. Yes, inside there. Inside. Inside. Yeah. Put it inside.
Dad.
Yeah, inside. I'm gonna wash it. No. It's supposed to go inside. Inside. Oops. Inside there. Tiandani mula. You always put it inside. Ayabas. It's okay, baby. I'll help you later. You did great. Okay. Hi. You wanna hold him? Oh, big brother Dale. Oh. He's happy. Yeah.
I'm afraid of a gun down that
Isaiah's like, what's going on? Hey, Isaiah happy. Look at him.
I'm not in the corner.
Oh, na Isaiah kona kuna. cute, baby. Okay. Isaiah is hyping. Bangsa simkon. Good job. Bravo. Funga mlango. Bravo. Good job there. You're happy to be with your daddy? You missed him? You missed Dada? Huh? You missed Daddy? The way he's looking. Oh, Papa. All these clothes that baby did, we had too much long. Look. Yep. Fundamento. Right now, all the boys are sleeping happy. is in the room. He's waiting for me, but right now I'm just gonna take a quick shower because I'm so exhausted and I just need a shower, a hot shower. But that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, and comment. I will appreciate that. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next vlog. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.